Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can model a rope in Blender. To get started, first add a circle, go to edit mode, scale it down, duplicate it 2 times, in object mode, right click, set origin to geometry. Now go to modifier properties, and here add screw modifier. Bring up the screw factor and now let's add a curve. Great! Now select this rope and now add a curve modifier. Choose this curve as the curve object, and you can also change the deform axis. I set it to Z. And this is it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Atusa.colors, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Goodbye!